Where the headwaters of the Colorado River cut a winding path through open meadows and cottonwoods, lies one of the most significant private landholdings on the Upper Colorado in Grand County. Welcome to Reeder Creek Ranch.
This stretch of the Colorado River has been famous for a very long time because this is the headwaters of one of the most massive river systems in the United States. Its history of supplying water for agriculture, for environmental purposes, as a trout fishery, for population base, the history runs very deep. And the other thing that I've always been so proud of and amazed is just our community. We addressed our river issues as a connected system, not as individual segments. And for restoration projects, that's a very unique thing.
In addition to a mile of Colorado River frontage, there is a 3/4 mile long spring creek that flows through the lower portion of the property, creating additional habitat and adding to the diversity of water. This system could be further enhanced, creating a special fishery and waterway.
My family have always been big believers in conservation and the values that we have put into the ranch and the opportunities. When you look at over 5,000 connected acres, not including the public land that is adjacent to it, and you look at the abundant water rights, and you look at the hay production and the cattle grazing, and we have worked to enhance this ranch for a very long time, and I think that when you look at the west, it's a very unique opportunity. The ranch has one of the largest sage-grouse leks in Grand County, and we, working with Colorado Parks and Wildlife, understood the priority of protecting it. And where that location is, it's also connected to a really unique big game migration corridor. And the connectivity of that to the public land and the open space and the protection of it was something that we identified a long time ago and prioritized its preservation.
The location is truly exceptional. Winning public lands and bordering the Williams Fork Reservoir, Reeder Creek Ranch offers a gateway to endless recreation right out of the back gate. From hiking and mountain biking to four-wheeling and stillwater fishing, the miles of interior ranch trails connect you to every corner of this landscape. Owners can build their dream home, either along the cottonwoods on the Colorado River or raised up on hills overlooking the lower valley and river corridor, all with views of the surrounding Williams Fork Mountains, the Gore Range, the Rabbit Ears Range, and the Continental Divide. With county road access and power in place, this area is ready to create a lasting legacy.
The fabric of this community working together is something that is so unique and special. It's unbelievable. You can look for miles around in every direction, and the people that are up here are incredible. They're dear friends, and this is truly a wonderful community.
The property represents the consolidation of two historic ranches, Mayhofer and Taussig, creating one of the largest contiguous landholdings in the county. A portion of the ranch is under conservation easement with Colorado Parks and Wildlife, protecting its scenic and wildlife values in perpetuity while preserving your ability to operate and enjoy the land privately. Just 30 minutes from the world-class skiing of Winter Park and within easy reach of Kremling and Granby, Reeder Creek Ranch sits at the heart of one of Colorado's most scenic and accessible mountain corridors. The property is less than 20 minutes from the private airport in Kremling and within 2 hours of Denver, making the ranch easily accessible year-round. At Reeder Creek Ranch, production, recreation, and conservation come together in one truly remarkable setting, offering wide-open landscapes, rich wildlife habitat, and working lands with a legacy of stewardship.